Morning, John.
Hey, you too, ready for the big push today?
Let's build some tanks.
Morning, Maria.
Hey, good morning. Did you see the schedule? Good morning. Are you on the early shift?
Yeah, just making it. Have a good one.
Check the alignment on the front plate there.
Looks good to me, within tolerance. Check the weld on this turret ring section. The scans show inconsistent penetration.
All right,
Align the top edge.
Check the inlet screens here, they look perfect.
Agreed. The mounting flanges are also secure.
آروم بیا پایین. کمی به چوب.
درسته همینه.
یه کمی به راست.
راست. پایین بیا.
آهسته درست.
Setting the torque now. Make sure the shaft is seated.
It's good. Give it the final click.
Bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment.
It's seated now.
Easy now, lower it slowly.
Clear on the idler.
Watch the sprocket. Easy now, easy. Watch the alignment pin.
Hold it right there, looks good.
Keep it coming, steady.
Clear on the left side, looking good.
All right, set it.
We operate the lever, swinging the block open. Then we swing it closed, ensuring the locking lug. Pressure holding steady at 5,000 psi.
Confirmed. System checks out.
M1 Abrams gun bore evacuate fume extractor system verified. The pepper pot style evacuator on the gun barrel prevents propellant gas.
Comms check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Intercom operational, over.
Business. If we adjust the armor plate thickness here by 5 millimeters, the weight distribution improves significantly.
Let's analyze.
All right, easy now. Bring it left to hair. Got it. Hitting the bolts now.
The M1A2 SEP V3 variant production shows the Trophy Active Protection System.
Watch the clearance on that side.
Okay, bringing it in now.
We need those treads secured before the next shift. Protection verified. American crew survivability proven.
The M1 Abrams heading to serve America, the production mission complete. Lima, Ohio delivers again.